emergency alert system message from the Federal Emergency Agency from your local government. A rouge planet has entered the solar system Friday last year until now. It's the same size as Eris and is heading towards Earth's orbit. The planet hasn't shown any disturbance in the solar system, thankfully, but Monday this afternoon meteors came crashing onto Earth. We advise you to stay indoors and watch out of any falling space debris. Get to any underground shelter or your home basement. If you're in a car, get to the nearest underground shelter you can find to grab any battery-powered radio, water, food and basic survival items and stay with your loved ones. You can go back to regular scheduled programming.
The Sun is the star at the center of the solar system. It is a nearly perfect ball of hot plasma, left squared bracket 18 right squared bracket left squared bracket 19 right squared bracket heated to incandescence by nuclear fusion reaction in its core. The Sun radiates this energy mainly as light, ultraviolet, and infrared radiation, and is the most important source of energy for life on Earth. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. It is the closest planet to the Sun. It makes one trip around the Sun once every 87.969 days. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is a rocky planet with the densest atmosphere of all the rocky bodies in the solar system, and the only one with a mass and size that is close to that of its orbital neighbor Earth. Orbiting inferiorly inside of Earth's orbit, it appears in Earth's sky always close to the Sun, as either a morning star or an evening star. While this is also true for Mercury, Venus appears much more prominently, since it is the third brightest object in Earth's sky after the Moon and the Sun, appearing brighter than any other star-like classical planet or any fixed star. With such a prominence in Earth's sky, Venus has historically been a common and important object for humans, in both their cultures and astronomy. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only place known in the universe where life has originated and found habitability. This is enabled by Earth being a water world, the only one in the solar system sustaining liquid surface water. Almost all of Earth's water is contained in its global ocean, spanning 70.8% of Earth's surface. The remaining 29.2% are land, which consists mainly of continental land masses mostly on Earth's land hemisphere. While Earth's land is also covered by considerable amounts of water, predominantly in the form of large sheets of ice covering polar land, containing more water than Earth's groundwater, lakes, rivers and atmospheric water together. Most of Earth's land though is covered by vegetation. Earth's land is part of Earth's crust, consisting of several slowly moving tectonic plates, which interact to produce mountain ranges, volcanoes, and earthquakes. Inside the Earth's crust is a liquid outer core that generates the magnetosphere, deflecting most of the destructive solar wind and cosmic radiation. Mars is the fourth planet and the furthest terrestrial planet from the Sun. The reddish color of its surface is due to finely grained iron, third oxide dust in the soil, giving it the nickname the Red Planet. Left square bracket 21 right square bracket left square bracket 22 right square bracket. Mars's radius is second smallest among the planets in the solar system at 3,389.5 kilometers, 2,106 miles. It has a surface gravity of 3.72 m/s2, 12.2 ft/s2, which is 38% of Earth's gravity. The Martian dichotomy is visible on the surface. On average, the terrain on Mars's northern hemisphere is flatter and lower than its southern hemisphere. Mars has a thin atmosphere made primarily of carbon dioxide and fluorine.
On this Saturday evening, Regents Field, a wet night out there. Still some cloudy skies overhead, a very comfortable 71 degrees our temperature after those storms rolled through earlier this evening across the metro area, now affecting portions of Shelby, Talladega, Calhoun, Etowah counties, Clay County as well. All this activity will gradually move down to the south and east through the overnight.
saw the video right there. Dozens of people running away from this scene.
I don't know what it is, but what is it?
That's some U.S. Army stuff, bro. What the heck?
Breaking news.
Home camera capturing the shaking in a living room in El Cajon.
Struck near San Diego. Novenario was 35 floors up, working on this downtown San Diego skyscraper.
Yeah, as everybody was. The guys on top, they're on the side of the building, and they could.
People being told to leave the lower elevations down by any water, especially by the coast. So this is where the earthquake happened. Our computers, we can kind of take them. Anything above a 7.0 shows up on our maps here. And it looks like there's actually two. I had one that from the USGS that was marked as a 7.0. I know you're mentioning a 7.3. So